You searched how to buy shares of Occidental Petroleum Corp. Occidental Petroleum is an energy company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker OXY, and this video is educational only and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search and type the ticker OXY to find Occidental Petroleum. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing that matches the company name. Open the stock page to view basic company information and the price chart. Verify the company name, NASDAQ exchange, and ticker OXY to confirm it's the correct listing. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, and review the order before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and the platform will ask you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order is executed. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to explore the platform further.